In this video, I will show you how to delete a user account on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To delete a user account, maybe you don't want that person to no longer have access to your PC or something like that. It's really easy to do. What you need to do from your desktop is come down first of all to your taskbar and click onto the Windows Start icon. Then go ahead and open up your settings. If you don't see settings here, you can use the search box at the top, type settings, and then open up settings underneath best match, just like so. Once you have your settings opened, come across this menu on the left hand side and click onto accounts. Then what you want to do is scroll down a bit to the account settings section and look for the option which says other users and then give that a click. And this way you're going to find all the users that have an account on your PC. So to delete a user account, all you need to do is click onto the account that you want to delete. What I was going to do is expand and bring up some options underneath. And as you can see, there is a remove button for account and data. So all you need to do is click onto remove. And what's going to happen, a window is going to pop up like this. As you can see, it says deleting this person's account will remove all their data from this PC, which includes things like their downloads, documents, photos, music, and other files. Make sure you do back up anything you do want saved, as this is going to completely delete all their documents and things like that. So if you're happy to go ahead, just click the delete account and data button, and just like so, that's going to go ahead and delete that user account on that Windows 11 PC or laptop. So that is how to delete a user account on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.